Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Now here is a issue going on, particularly on some labs on the Qwiklabs platform. Earlier that issue was limited only for the Vertex AI. Now it has expanded to all the labs and all the labs have been disabled. Now when you try to open any lab, let me show you for this lab. It will show a pop-up that the labs have been disabled and the button is grayed out. Yes, the start lab button has been grayed out and here is a pop-up that we have temporarily disabled access to lab due to some internal issues. So what you can do, basically some of you are having certification exams. Apart from this, some of you have participated in the Gen AI and most of you are having some issues going on the lab. So what you can ask the organizing team to extend the deadline and also forward to the internal team of the GCP so that once the lab is fixed, you can complete those badges and earn the points. Also, the main thing is that this video is for other people who are doing GCP apart from the arcade, because these events are running worldwide and many events are being affected due to this lab issue outage. So make sure to report it to your internal team and so that they can extend the deadlines and you can complete it. Oh, so thank you for this and do like the video and subscribe to the channel.